Whakalofa lahia te kimitulu si amatua, tō matakainanga, awelahi, kua whaleweia tō tūru he tapu nei, mai tapu niue, tapu ke vagahau niue ka tō tūru. As you can hear, my Niue's not that great. But I just want to acknowledge our 50 years celebration of independence. So this is why we're here. We're here because they have a great show on. Unfortunately, we were not able to get a ticket because we were too late to buy a ticket for this show. I hope that some people cancel it out and or maybe that we can have an opportunity to get in there and see the show. So this is us here. We are at a store. We're selling some food. Isn't this beautiful? This is Mangere Art Centre, and this is in Mangere. This is opposite the library. It's so here we're actually there's two groups here that are selling food, and we're looking forward to seeing everyone that's going to come in and buy some food. People. Petako. This is our store, so we're really happy to be here. This is Carolini in the corner. We're really going to have a good evening, and we're looking forward for tomorrow as well. So guys, if you're not doing anything, come on down to the Art Centre in Mangere. This is happening today and tomorrow from 3:30, 4 o'clock onwards. And the show, I would love to see the show, but it's sold out. 2 days. So there we go. This is where they will be holding the show. Unfortunately, like I said, we won't be able to get a ticket to go in, but hopefully we're going to get a good response from others to say how well the show is going. And hi! So we're just looking forward to seeing everyone else as they come in and enjoy this show. So thank you guys. Thank you.
Come down there?
No, I don't want to go down there because there's people down there. I don't want them to be on the video. Okay, thank you guys.
You're recording, yeah?
We're so thankful and so grateful that we are here, and we are really honoured to be part of this day, to be really showcasing who we are and what we're doing. Okay, so hopefully we'll see some other Niueans around for today. This is Lily. We'll see you again on my next video. Bye for now. And don't forget, subscribe to my page.